This is a guide for students on how to use the Canvas student app on the iPad. First, tap on the Student Canvas app on your iPad to launch the application. When asked for your school's name, type in DVRHS. Then tap Go on the on-screen keyboard. You'll be taken to Del Val's login page. Enter your district username, which is graduation year, first name, last name. You do not need to put in your full entire email address with the @ symbol. Then your district password and tap the blue login button. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your landing page where you can click Edit on the left-hand sidebar at the top of the page, and you'll be taken to a list of the courses you've been registered in. Tap the stars next to the courses you'd like to be visible on your landing page every time you log in. When you are done selecting the courses you'd always like to see on your landing page, tap on the word Done in the upper right-hand corner of the window. You'll see that the 2 courses that I've starred now appear on my dashboard. Tapping on a course tile will take you to the course homepage. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see access items such as assignments, grades, syllabi, quizzes, and modules. Depending on what your teacher has made available to the class will depend on which items are visible and active for you along the left-hand sidebar. Tapping on an item on the left-hand sidebar will then display the available related files and options on the right-hand side of the screen. Note that at the bottom of the screen are 5 tabs: Dashboard, Calendar, To Do, Notifications, and your Canvas inbox. To check out the information contained within these tabs, simply tap on the tab at the bottom of your screen. To see all the courses that you're enrolled in, simply tap on the Dashboard tab at the bottom of the screen, and then tap on See All. This will display all of your courses that you're enrolled in. Tapping on the 3 horizontal lines on the left-hand side of your screen will take you to options such as Settings, where you can look at your profile, check out your notification settings, and your display options for your landing page. Be sure to enable notifications, as these will tell you when projects and assignments are due and when grades have been posted. When in the Settings portion of your Canvas app, you can select to show grades. By toggling this button, you can then see your grades at a glance in the tiles on the courses that you have selected with stars for your dashboard. You can always check on your notification status for the Canvas app by going to your settings, which is the Gears app on your iPad, and scrolling down until you see the word student with the Canvas icon next to it. Tapping on that will show you all your notification settings for that specific app. Technical difficulties? Contact the technology department at 908 996 2131, extension 6302.